Hey guys, today I'm going to show y'all how I go from this crazy, frizzy, unhealthy looking hair to this. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of hair, fashion, and lifestyle content, all of which I always keep affordable, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started with this hair tutorial. First things first, I want to talk about what I use in the shower when I wash my hair. I mentioned this in my last root touch-up highlights video, but it is the Shea Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I basically use this as conditioner. Typically will wash my hair with this Vanilla No Orange Blue shampoo first and then go in with this as conditioner. I did air dry. I tried to avoid as much heat as possible. If you guys want to see a weekly hair routine, I do have one on my channel. I will link it down in the description box so you guys can kind of get a feel of how much I actually apply heat to my hair and what I use on the days in between. I try to go 4 to 5, 6 days without washing my hair, but my hair doesn't typically get that oily, and if it does, there's dry shampoo or baseball caps. So I do also want to mention this Grow Long leave-in conditioner because I use it every single day that I don't wash my hair. Since I did just go in with the Shea Moisture conditioner, I'm going to skip this for today, but every other day in between hair washes, I do apply this. It's amazing. I'm addicted. Let's get into how I actually go from super frizzy hair to curled, straight, healthy looking hair. So the first thing, I apply this Blonde Me Shine Elixir, about 2 pumps of that, and I rub it in and then run it through my hair. Then this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. This is amazing. It's an oil, so it's lasted me forever. So affordable. And so I take about a pump of that and I apply it mostly to my ends, but I do work my way up, especially right in here because, you know, my bangs are kind of fried. And then I just kind of work it throughout the rest of my hair. Just because I have it side parted, I'm actually gonna just split this side in half because this section is like way too thick for me to go in with a blow dryer and it do anything. Then I'm gonna go in with this heat spray. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. This basically does everything. It's a shine spray, a heat protectant, all that other good stuff that you need. Just gonna spray throughout my hair and I just kind of fluff and spray. Now I'm gonna take my trusty round brush blow dryer. I do have a full tutorial on how I get a blowout at home, but I'm gonna use this to straighten and brush my hair. The reason that I do like to use a blow dryer as opposed to a straightener is because when I straighten my hair, it gets like too straight, then it doesn't wanna curl, but it also gets like really flat. So I like big voluminous hair. So that's what I'm going for. So I'm gonna use this blow dryer. And I'm not blow drying my hair because my hair is dry. I'm just kind of straightening it out. So I just really lightly and quickly do this. I did really quickly want to mention that I do focus on the ends because I want them to look as straight and healthy as possible. And by smoothing them out with the blow dryer, when I go to curl it, it will already look smooth on the end. And then I'm gonna go around the crown of my head to just blow dry some volume in there. So I'm gonna start on the first layer, just like this, and I'm gonna blow dry backwards. I like to also go side to side because when you drop it down, it's gonna drop just like this. Okay, so now I have some good volume at the root and my hair is pretty smoothed out. My ends are still looking kind of dry, so I'm gonna go back in with more of this. The reason that I like to do like a little bit at a time is because this is oil and I don't want my hair to start looking like oily and greasy, so I just take it a little bit at a time because you can always add more, but once your hair looks oily and gross, it's hard to fix. So going in with a little bit more of that and concentrating it on my ends, anywhere it feels dry. And then going in with more heat protectant. I don't know if you are supposed to add heat protectant between each use of heat, but I like to. Doesn't hurt. So I'm actually using the T3 1.25 curling iron. I really like this one, but I also really love this Conair one. It's the same size. It's lasted me forever. This is the Infinity Pro. I just use this one because it's a little prettier, honestly, but this one, it works amazing. It smooths out my hair, adds shine just like this one does, and it's a fraction of the price. Ellie's right here playing with her toys, so you can probably hear her, but it's a fraction of the price, and I really love both of them, so you can't go wrong with either one. So before I start curling, I did mention that I like my ends to be a little bit straight, so I'm gonna take the curling iron and just kind of smooth that out, and the smoothing oil really helps with this. I don't do all my hair, I just really focus on the ends. And again, if I personally use a straightener, my hair just gets so straight that it doesn't want to curl. So I do like to use a curling iron, but you could totally use a straightener if you like. Now I'm just gonna curl, and I don't do anything like super special. I just start at the front, work my way to the back, and I just take it, wrap it around a couple times, leave a little bit off the end, and pull it down. I don't brush out my curl until afterwards because I like for the curl to cool down from the heat, just like this. I take vertical sections and then I horizontally break them up. So I'll start at the top. Bring the curl all the way back to the root. Totally forgot to mention that we're curling away from my face, and then I'll show you how I curl away on this side, but all my curls are going one direction away from my face. Bring it down and then roll it back up towards your root. Make sure all your hair is on the hot part. I just kind of smooth it out. It's harder when your hair is longer. On this side, I use my finger to hold the clamp and curl it away, just like that. On this side, I use my thumb Okay, so my hair is all curled now. I'm going to take some of this Got To Be hairspray and spray it through my hair. Then I take this Chi Shine Infusion. I'm also gonna take this Xoxo hair shake. This is just for texture. Now that all my product is in, I'm going to just fluff out these curls. I usually just use my fingers, but you could totally use a brush or a wide tooth comb. But I do like just the different texture in my hair. And I do just go back and recurl some spots. Okay, a couple more things. I do also like to use this Got To Be Powderful powder in my hair. It just gives me texture in my roots that keeps my volume all week long. I do only do this on the first day that I style my hair, and then throughout the week I just do dry shampoo. So I'm gonna take it underneath the top layer, just like that. Blend it in. It's like teasing your hair without actually having to tease it. Doing the same thing on this side. But I'm actually gonna do 2 layers just because that side part is a lot thicker. It needs more powder. I'm just blending that in. Try not to look like I have gray hair. Just a little in the back. I bought this a long time ago and it's lasted me forever. This is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm, but I do really like this and I only need a little bit. I guess you could totally just use a pomade as well, but I just take a little on the back of my finger, rub it into my palms, and then I blend it into my ends and my bangs because that's where I have a lot of split ends. And then this just kind of sticks them together so that my hair doesn't look stringy. And then I just blend the excess like through my layers because the rest of my layers have split ends too. If you are extra like me, you can also go in with this Eva NYC holographic gold spray. It's basically just a glittery hairspray. I don't always do this, but I will do it for a special occasion, a date night, if I'm filming videos. I'm not gonna lie though, I do just kind of spray this when I want my hair to be glittery, which is quite often. You might not be able to see it right now, but when the sun shines on it or I'm taking pictures, it really helps my hair look shiny and healthy and golden and all the good things. So I really like this glitter spray. It comes in other colors too. And that is how I fake it till I make it. It's all in the products that you use definitely blow dry or smooth out the ends before you curl. It really makes a huge difference. Also use a heat protectant and a shine spray. Again, makes a huge difference. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should, because I do lots of hair, makeup, lifestyle stuff over there. So I'll leave my handle right down here. And 2 videos for y'all to binge watch, as well as that subscribe button. So lots to click on. Be sure and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Also 2 main things, you know, 2 little favors that I'm asking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.